Welcome students in my next class for 12th NEET and AIIMS. Today our topic is double fertilization and triple fusion. In last class we have to study about the pollen grain germination, how the pollen tube formation takes place on the stigma and which chemical used generally in the laboratory as well in the natural state. In laboratory we can use the different chemicals like boric acid and then sugar solution, but in natural it can be used as some calcium and other sugars. So in this topic today we will take the what is the meaning of double fertilization and then triple fusion first, and after the process in angiosperm. So first thing is, it is a unique process in angiosperm, only generally present in angiosperm. So it is unique process, unique characteristic of angiosperm, which is double fertilization and triple fusion. Both have the different term but related to the same function. Now first we take the double fertilization, meaning the process by which the two male gametes fuse with two different structure of embryo sac. So two male gametes fuse with the two different structure of embryo sac. That means the two male gamete and then structures is two. So two times syngamy and fusion takes place. That's why it is called double fertilization. Now second definition, triple fusion. When 2n polar cell or polar nuclei fuse with second male gamete, that time it produces 3n primary endosperm nucleus. It is called triple fusion. So first you have to clear the concept, what is the double fertilization, what is the triple fusion. It is a two different term but related to the same process. So double fertilization means the two male gamete fuse with the two different structure. Which is the two different structure? The first structure is egg cell and second structure is polar cell or polar nuclei. So it is two different structure and fuse with the two different gametes. That time it is called double fertilization. Triple fusion, when 2n means diploid polar cell fuse with the haploid male gamete. Male gamete always haploid, fuse with the haploid male gamete and it produces 3n primary endosperm nucleus. That time it is called triple fusion. So it is a definition of double fertilization and triple fusion. Now we take the process. So first of all, double fertilization, triple fusion takes place in angiosperm plant. So after the transportation of pollen grain on a stigma and then pollen grain germination, the two male gamete it is stigma where the pollen tube travel and then transport two male gamete, and two male gamete is transported to the embryo sac, and these embryo sac contain the structure. First it is polar cell, synergid cell, it is egg cell, and it is 3 antipodal cell. So it is the egg cell and it is a polar cell. So first gamete fuse with the egg cell, second gamete fuse with the polar cell, and that time it is a process is called double fertilization. Yeah. So we can take the first male gamete fuse with the egg cell and then produce zygote. What is the polarity? Haploid, haploid and then diploid. So it is first fertilization. Now we take the second fertilization. Second male gamete fuse with the polar cell or polar nuclei or secondary nuclei and then convert into the primary endosperm nucleus. Haploidy, it is haploid, it is diploid and it is triploid. The structure name is primary endosperm nucleus. Primary endosperm nucleus. So again we take, it is second fertilization. So that's why it is called two fertilization. That time it is called double fertilization. When N and 2N fuse and produce 3N primary endosperm nucleus, that time it is called triple fusion. So it is the process is called double fertilization and then triple fusion. So again repeat which is the part is important for this. First 3-mark question for subjective purpose. Explain the process of double fertilization and then triple fusion. So first of all you write the definition of double fertilization and then triple fusion. After then you draw the diagram in which it is the pollen grain. After then it is a pollen tube, embryo sac, it is a secondary nucleus or polar nucleus, it is egg cell and it is synergid cell. So now the first male gamete fuse with the egg cell and produce zygote. Now zygote develop into the embryo and the primary endosperm provide nutrition to developing embryo. Second male gamete fuse with the polar cell and produce a primary endosperm nucleus which is triploid or 3N. That's why it is called triple fusion, and two fertilization is called double fertilization. Clear? So you can take the screenshot of this diagram. So in next class we will take the development of embryo, monocot embryo and then dicot embryo and their structure. So thank you for watching my class. If you can understand easily from this class, please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.